Hello, people.
Episode 01. If you look back at 15 years ago, if you can remember, compared to now, besides the factor कि now there are about 15 times more cars and people, but जितना development हुआ है 15 साल पहले का दिल्ली वाला बोलेगा if you told him this what's going to be like in 10 years he would have said मजाक कर रहा है. But I think metro is one of the biggest achievements in Delhi, not by Indians.
Yeah.
Cooperation से मतलब
That's
with Japanese, but
That's true.
in Delhi it is the biggest achievement.
You cannot get rid of that Lal Peak and all red marks. But yes, if you see overall, they are providing us the best.
I mean, let's face it. We have, and just think of it. You are हम लोग द्वारका to Noida, ठीक है? Which by road कितने किलोमीटर होगा?
By road is about 30 odd kilometers.
30 किलोमीटर का distance travel कर रहे हो in public transport, माना, agreed. But still, 30 kilometers in public transport, air conditioned and direct without any traffic jam in 30 rupees. I mean,
30 odd kilometers in just 30 rupees.
yeah, it's extremely underappreciated कि how great that convenience is.
Actually, you go to any other city, you'll find lot old metros are there. Say Kolkata. Kolkata metro is not that worth because I went there. They have now started the AC metros, but before that, it was the worst rail system I've ever traveled. Worst.
I was, in terms of when it comes to the worst train, every Mumbaiker I've ever met has told us, he goes and travels in metro and at Ranjit Chowk at the worst hour and still goes, what are you complaining about? Have you ever come to Bombay? I don't know,
Seriously,
it might be
if
that.
you go West Bengal, I have traveled a lot in local trains. I feel it. I feel it like fun,
Adventure.
adventure. Seriously, मजा आता है बहुत. So we used to travel 60, 30, 40 kilometers by local. इतना distance होता था. So one day we left accidentally on our working hours, and it was 8 a.m. and that local starts from Barakpur. There's a place. It starts from there, and we were standing in the front line. कि local रुकेगी and we'll go and sit because we have to go long distance. So me and my cousin, we were both there standing at the platform. Suddenly that local came. The whole traffic from behind that took us in to the seat. To the seat. I mean, just imagine, Delhi metros are not doing that. They have security. They have security.
I mean, again, I can't say it's as bad, but there have been bad days in the Delhi metro.
Yeah.
जब भी it breaks down, Blue Line especially. Blue Line पे जब भी 2-3 बार मेरे सामने in my experience, the train has broken down en route, which means that the whole line gets jammed for hours. Now imagine that many clueless travelers reaching at one of the most busiest changing station in Delhi public transport and just waiting कि maybe it's just late. And some so far that they have no alternative or rather can't afford another alternative. And just उस एक मतलब congested छोटे से station, it's not छोटा station but उस एक station में underground, sometimes not even enough air conditioning में एक साथ 1000-2000 लोग इकट्ठे होते हैं, each with carrying their own special aroma from wherever they've been working the whole day.
That special aroma.
You know, yeah, it has its own small hell of Delhi. वो सबसे जो बारापोला रोड जो है उसमें ना admittedly it was constructed in a rush because it was something that was So did jalbazi mein as in a rush because it was late. He was supposed to be ready for the Commonwealth Games, and I think last 3 weeks mein,
Yeah.
they made that entire section of road. Now, I'm not saying our engineers are in the best, but let's face it, they have had some questionable constructions in terms of durability,
Yeah.
and they made this in a hurry. And उस पे heavy loads allowed नहीं है. So every time I see some bus guys or the government talking about we shall let the bus or trucks travel on this road after certain hours, I worry that I may be the guy who's on it the next day when it collapses. But also, if you've seen the
Be like
extension,
that. See,
it's one of those things where it shows that if you are about to face international humiliation, you can get things done in Delhi at an amazing pace. But why should that be the motivation? Aren't we paying enough of our, I mean, let's face it, not everybody pays taxes, but isn't enough the middle class paying their taxes? बराबर पड़ेगा मेरे को देख के. Is that an
yeah,
ambulance?
bhai.
See, that's the thing. There is nowhere for it to go. Even if enough people cleared the way, it'll get stuck in the next traffic jam.
Nobody is getting aside.
Where will they go? Left पे जगह नहीं है, right पे जगह नहीं है, आगे जगह नहीं है. That's the thing. Even if you were a nice guy and wanted to do the right thing, we can't. It's one of those things. I will not do stupid adventure sports, urban sports as they call them in the city, because if I break something or I get impaled, I won't reach the hospital in time and I'll bleed to death. So it won't be a fatal wound necessarily. I'll just die from neglect. Why do you think we don't have X Games? Because there is no emergency services if something goes wrong. Here, crossing the road is called the X Game.
You are jumping over the fence.
With no life insurance, no health insurance,
Yeah.
and about 80% chance that if something goes wrong, you'll never reach the hospital in time. You'll be better off if you just try to get up and take yourself to the hospital. Alright, almost there. Good. It didn't take, considering the distance, it took long enough. Half an hour. I think it's lucky we left somewhat early. I think anymore, if we had been late by another 10 minutes or so, we left. It's our street. Alright, thank you
See ya.
for the lift. See you for the next paper. That's all for today. Ciao, folks.